Hi, Dr. Jo Messenger here. Thanks for tuning in. I've got a bit of lockdown hair laziness going on. Baseball cap and ponytail is the best that's going to happen in that department right now. So do your best to focus on my message rather than how I look today. In this video, I'll be talking about getting your personal needs met. Personal needs that are not met can be a deceptive drain. Personal needs that are not met can seduce you into wasting your time, energy, money, and resources without really knowing how to stop. No matter how much of the reserve of your resources you created, unmet needs can eventually cause them to leak out or drain away. To make your reserves develop faster, to make your time, energy, money, health, wealth, beauty, power and relationships develop faster and last longer, it is essential that you plug up the holes of your neediness. You can't capture your resources. You can't capture your time, energy, money, your health, wealth, beauty, power and great relationships in a sieve. A lifestyle isn't a life. How much of your energy does it take to maintain your lifestyle? Is your lifestyle too big? How much time, energy and money do you need to sustain it? Does it bring you short-term pleasure or lasting joy and fulfillment? If living large has become a driving force in your life, it is probably standing between you and the life you really want. Simplify, simplify, simplify. When you simplify, you don't have to outlay so much to keep all the plates spinning. Your body can tell you how much of your lifestyle is truly generating happiness for you and how much is smoke and mirrors and unnecessary trappings. Keep simplifying until you feel your reserves of time, energy and space are rising consistently and steadily. Free yourself up from baggage, situations, obligations, and people who complicate your life. The less you have to lift, the higher you can rise. Create more space for yourself in your life by letting go of all of the shoulds, coulds, and frustrating projects. Clean out your wardrobe, your cupboards, your emails, your files, your home, your workspace, and your car. Do whatever it takes to sort out your finances, because until you do, it will undermine all of your reserves and suck the joy out of your life. If you need to increase your income, decrease your expenses, or both, then do it. Do whatever it takes to consistently save at least 10% of your income. Remember that life is a team sport, and this is easy to see. If you're in a relationship or a family, and likewise if you have a job or work in a business. Without steady support from family, friends and customers or clients, it's easy for your world to come crashing down. Who are you within your family and place of work? How can you contribute? Be more supportive and fulfill expectations without diminishing yourself and still create fulfillment. The key to long-term fulfilling relationships, whether personal or professional, is to add value and to give more than is expected without diminishing yourself or your resources. I'm not talking about or encouraging codependency. I am talking about adding value to everyone close to you and making them glad you're around just for the sake of the joy that it gives you. Get your joy and fulfillment from giving rather than how what you are giving is received. Notice, acknowledge and be grateful for everyone who adds value to you in your life. If you need to apologize to anyone that you've taken for granted, then go ahead and do it. Become more in tune and sensitive to your feelings, needs, wants, and the feelings, needs and wants of the people around you. Take the time to find out what is important to the people around you. Take the time to find out what their values are. You immediately become more attractive to others as soon as you stop pushing yourself, your products, your service, your ideas onto other people. Adding value happens most easily and smoothly when people come to you for what you have to offer rather than you having to knock on their door. Find the sweet spot. Just like putting too much food in your mouth at once doesn't work, adding too much value at once can overwhelm your relationships, your customers, your clients, and potential relationships, customers and clients. Keep it simple across the board. Simply help people to get the best value or results from what is already there. Adding value doesn't mean playing the angles as another way to getting your needs met. People can smell a hidden agenda at 50 paces. People know when they're being manipulated and they'll resent you for it. If your added value feels more like a hook, catch, or setup, they will get a bad taste in their mouth and won't stay for the long term. And neither they should. It's not helpful feedback to you to be rewarded for not being authentic. Far better you maintain your integrity and authenticity every step of the way. Add value because it brings you joy and fulfillment, not because you are personally or professionally needy.